Hello friends, welcome to Janam Software. In this video, we are going to understand the automated email setting or automated email sending in Janam Software. Setting as well as the sending. As we implement SMS setting in Janam Software, the same way we can implement email setting too. So let's see how this can be done. You'll have to go to Master Setup, and then in Master Setup there is Setting. Here you can select the category email service, and then here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 settings, okay, services that you need to add. What I have done is I've already added them here. So the email host, port, username, display name, all these have to be added, okay. And the email password, all these have to be added. Now you can also configure your own different own different email server here, okay. Since I have a Gmail, I have configured with the default Gmail value, but you can configure your own email server here, okay. So once we have defined all these settings, let's go and see what's the next thing. Next thing would be to create your email templates. So you go to email template, okay. Now you can customize your own email templates here, okay. So like for example, I have customized for repayment, loan repayment receipt, loan due reminder, loan application, loan approved, rejected, on hold, closed, and disbursement. Now let's see loan repayment, okay. So there's this message here, okay. So dear, these are the variables. Now these variables are, if you want to know more about these variables, what you can do is you can just go to setting. In setting you can go to there's SMS service, and in SMS service you can see all the same all the same auto SMS messages, like for example for loan receipt, okay. If you see here, this is the text, so these are the variables. So what you can do is you can use the same variables, say from here to email templates, okay. So email template, okay. So you can use the same ones. So now I have used let's start with the loan repayment. So dear name or dear customer, amount of whatever it is of loan account, this account is received. So this is a loan repayment message that is going to go. Now let's see how the sending is being done. So similarly, right, I have done all the email templates, okay. Like see, for example, here I haven't put, say this, if I say here BR, okay, then I'm going to put thank you Janam Software, okay. So if you want this on a different line, you can put the PR tag. So all these email messages can be customized using HTML syntax, okay. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to say update, okay. So so this way you can have customization of your email templates. If you want, you can add even more templates here, okay. Now there are these many templates, so if you want, you can keep adding more templates. Since this is a customizable system, we can add more templates if your need be there, okay. So now let's see how emails are sent. Say for example, let me search for a customer, okay. Let me search for a customer and receive. So he has a loan, okay. So a loan, say this, and I'm going to do a repayment, okay, and I'll show you how. So I'm going to say received. Once it is received, it says saved and email sent. You'll get this message here. Now for that person, I have configured the email. See this email. So it says payment received. Dear Raj, amount 202 of loan account 30 is received. So this way you can create your own templates in Genome software. Thank you so much for watching this video.